Here they come. Yeah. Oh, I forgot they're gonna go to the elevator. Oh, bye. 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 Craziness. Oh my God.
Austin.
Hey.
Whoa.
Anybody going up?
Yes. Yay, the brides of
Okay.
What? Hello.
Say hello.
Hey!
Hey.
We're on camera here.
How crowded can we possibly get in this elevator?
Oh God, they're gonna film our day.
That's all we're
Yeah.
family.
We're gonna be on real video. Real video. I'm so excited. I wanted to be on TV all my life.
The elevator's gonna break down.
No, it's not.
Boy, there are a lot of people in here. Hello, dear.
Hello.
John, wouldn't it?
Oh.
Hey, Captain.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
How are you? My watch. Somebody stole my watch.
Get out.
Okay.
Get out.
Bye, Julie.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, Shalom, y'all.
But we have to go.
Go in your room.
He wants me to take my clothes off. Todd, you're so... It's so obvious.
Okay. Da-na-na-na.
I've done it once for your family.
Oh, that's right. You have.
Well, I haven't just stripped, but God knows I shook it, baby.
Bye.
Bye.